You're all very welcome. This is a brief introduction on the Coffin Square. It's a simple measuring device to assist funeral directors accurately placing items such as a cross or crucifix, a breastplate, religious emblem, or an oval breastplate upon the awkward shape of a coffin lid or indeed a casket lid. The Coffin Square is a 2D shaped item, four-sided calibration. So it's symmetrical, starts in the middle obviously, goes right and left in equal increments, and the same in the bottom. It also does it to the left, so you can rotate the template anti-clockwise if you're putting on one of these two items, or clockwise if you're putting on the rectangle breastplate. So you begin at the bottom of the coffin lid or casket lid. In this case, the religious emblem. If you don't have one, you just move straight up to the breastplate, but you position it roughly where you want it on the lid. You overlay the coffin square on top of the lid. You match it up at the bottom so it's equal measurements. So in this case it's 3 3/4, and same on this side. Now you go to the top, so it is measuring 7 at the top on the left, and on the right it's also measuring 7 where the angle of the lid comes down. So you know that that's now perfectly square. Within this then you center your emblem. Now that the religious emblem is placed, we will now move to the breastplate. Again, put it approximately where you want it on the coffin lid. Overlay the coffin square. So you match it up at the bottom. It's 7 on the right, and it is also 7 on the left. Go to the top. We're measuring, it's 9.5 and it is 9.5. So again, that's perfectly square. Bring this to the bottom. As long as it's equal distance left and right, that is now ready for fixing. So the next phase is to put on the crucifix. So you set the crucifix or the cross into the coffin square insert. Again, matching it up at the bottom, it's coming in at 8 1/4 and 8 1/4. The top, you move it to 6 1/2, and it's going in 6 1/2. So again, that square is perfectly symmetrical and square on the lid. You can rest the crucifix on the bottom. Match up your guidelines here and here to the center. Fix your crucifix and then take off your template. That's all your items now on the coffin lid. Never have an issue again with any of them being crooked. You've pinpoint accuracy. It's all perfectly square and symmetrical each and every time, and it saves you time at a critical point also in organising a funeral. One time purchase, it's a long life, high quality product, and you just hang it behind your door or keep it within the packaging that it's delivered in, and it will last a lifetime.